Today we're supporting two charities here in Galway. We have Cope and we have our Ability West house, and we're just revamping the garden space for people come in and enjoy a special space. And you'll see from the videos we take today, it was an unpainted wall and you're just brightening it up, and you can see the colour in the flowers and everything. This Best Buddies charity was brought to us by one of the team in the finance team who already had buddied up with one of the Best Buddies, and they've created a really special friendship from this initiative. You know, we have more Best Buddies in Diligent.
So I'm buddies with Matthew, known it for about 19-20 months at this stage. It's really fun. You just meet up with someone every 2 or 3 weeks, maybe once a week. I often just go to his house, we go for a walk, or we do certain things. Like there's a lot of activities that Best Buddies organise, so we always go on them, stuff like the Car Princess. You get a lot out of it, probably get more out of it than what you give, which is great. So yeah, really good.
Yeah, the week's been great. Love getting out here during Global Day of Service, super important to do this. Really was great to get out to Best Buddies also, because I've seen them and worked with them in the office on another visit of mine. It's great to get out where they are and help them to make their backyard look fantastic. Luckily the rain held out so we could actually get the painting done. The wall's starting to look good. Pretty excited about where we're headed on it.
Delighted to be here in Cope today. Again, we were here this time last year as well, Sarah, so it just gives us a chance to come back out to our community and kind of help a little bit and get out there and see all the great work they do here in Cope Galway. And also it gives you an idea of all the work they have to do every day and all the sorting that needs to be done.
We arrived in this morning and the volunteers just let us know where they had some boxes and kind of donations that hadn't been sorted. So we've been going through trying to identify them by category, what is kind of no good, won't be able to resell in the shop, and just helping them kind of organise the stock room.
It's just great to come together, take that day out and have that specific day in the calendar that we're all going out and giving back to the community. So it really means a lot, and it brings everybody together that we're working towards something different.
We're doing a little bit of power hosing and weeding, replanting, helping like the residents around like with their own gardens. It's just taking care of their garden in their common areas and make it look nicer for them, especially like with summer coming now, so it's nice to have a nice area to sit outside and relax. And yeah, it's so nice that we have this opportunity to do that. Like, you know, I feel we are so much inside our own bubble sometimes, so don't realize how much the community around us need help.
Today we have a very special surprise. We got our lovely garden done by volunteers that does this. We are absolutely grateful. From the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you all so much.